Yeah, hi, this is for mini temperature controller. So here we used two Peltier unit, 1 and 2. So the system comes with a temperature controller. So back side I will show you. In back side it consists two Peltier unit for making cooling. I am going to turn on it. Now you can see the temperature. I am going to turn on the cooling unit. So 28.0 is a current temperature. If the cooling system is activated, the temperature will reduce. You can see here. So 26, 27, it will reduce. So if you want to buy this project, you can contact our office number.